The check valves open and close with the function of the pistons to contain the high and low pressure water in the proper chambers within the pump. Over time, the valves will wear and can eventually fail. If your pressure washer is allowed to idle for more than just a couple of minutes, the water inside the pump will rapidly become extremely hot. The water can become hot enough to damage some of the pump's plastic components. When a valve fails, the pump will produce lower pressure and the water will seem to pulse when the wand trigger is pulled. Replacing the check valves is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the pump from the engine. And with the fasteners removed, now I can remove the pump. Now I'll remove the detergent hose. I find it's easiest to just simply cut it away from the pump, and then I'll use a utility knife to remove the last little piece. Now I'll remove the metal plate that covers the valves. Next, I'll remove the drain plug. I'll use a pair of pliers to both loosen the plug and line up the tab in the center of the plug perpendicular to the housing. Then I find the easiest way to remove the plug is to use a pair of flush cut diagonals. I grab on the edge of the tab and pry the plug from the housing. And I'll remove the other two. With the plugs removed, now I can remove the check valves. Typically when you remove the valve, it'll come apart in pieces. And I'll need to be sure to remove the seat at the bottom. Now I can install the new check valves. I'll apply a little silicone grease to each of the O-rings as I install them. I insert the valve into the housing, seat first. Now I can reinstall the drain plugs. Again, I'll apply some silicone grease to the O-ring on the drain plugs. And now I can reinstall the metal plate. I'll go ahead and reconnect the detergent hose. To reinstall the pump, first I'll need to reinstall the key onto the motor shaft. I'll align it with the keyway, and now I can install the pump. I'll align the keyway on the pump shaft with the key on the motor shaft, and then slide the pump into place. And I'll finish by securing the pump. And that's how you can install a new check valve set in your pressure washer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.